To use a Zara gift card online, follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have a Zara gift card with a valid balance. You can check the balance by visiting the Zara website or by contacting their customer service. Next, go to the Zara website and browse through their products to find the items you want to purchase. Add the items to your shopping bag by clicking the Add to Bag button. Once you have added all the items you want to purchase, click on the shopping bag icon to proceed to checkout. At the checkout page, enter your email address and other required details. Then, click on the payment method section and select the gift card option. You will be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the gift card. Enter the gift card details correctly and click Apply. The gift card balance will be deducted from the total amount due. If the gift card balance is more than the total amount due, the remaining balance will be saved for future purchases. If the gift card balance is less than the total amount due, you can pay the remaining amount using other payment methods such as credit or debit cards. After applying the gift card, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the Place Order button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email with the order details and the gift card balance will be updated. When using a Zara gift card online, make sure to keep the gift card details safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Also, note that Zara gift cards can only be used for online purchases on the Zara website and not on other websites or in physical stores. In case you encounter any issues while using the gift card, you can contact Zara customer service for assistance. They will be able to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. By following these steps, you can easily use your Zara gift card online and make payments with ease.